Good morning, class 4 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. So welcome back to your social studies class. Okay. For a long time we meet again, and now today we are going to learn about the transport and communication system used in our country. Okay. So two topic: transport and communication. Open at page number 109 of your book, chapter number 19, transport and communication. First, we have to learn the meaning of two types of words. To what does transport mean and what does communication mean? Transport. What does the term transport means? Look, I have written the meaning of transport. Transport refers to the traveling from one place to another. This is transport. Suppose you have to go somewhere. You use vehicles or car, bus, etc. to go from one place to another. When there was no cars, bus or traveling system, people used to walk from one place to another. But now in modern society we have various kinds of vehicles, and there is fastest transport, slowest transport system, various kinds of transport system. You will have to read these systems referred to in your book. Now I will give you a description of the transport and communication system. Okay. Next, transport system. What kinds of or how many kinds of transport systems are there existed in our country? Road transport, okay, waterways, airways, railways. Okay, first road transport. So road is used to transport, especially to transport goods from one place to another. We have seen various kinds of trucks, okay, buses, cars. Okay, road transport is hugely road transport is widely used for traveling from one place to another, and also to send parcels or to send goods from one place to another. This is type of the road transport, and road transport is very useful. Okay, we have seen that the trucks from the other state come to India, and in some places the trucks from other countries come to our country. এমনকি কিছু কিছু জায়গায় অন্য কান্ট্রি থেকে আমাদের কান্ট্রিতে ট্রাক আসে এবং ট্রাকে করে অনেক জিনিসপত্র আসে। ওকে, দিস ইজ দ্য পার্ট অফ ট্রান্সপোর্ট সিস্টেম। Next, railways. We all know that railway is the cheapest means of transport. আমরা জানি railways খুব সস্তা পড়ে আমাদের জন্য। Okay, railways carriage system and passenger train. The passenger trains or express trains carries people from one state to another, and there are also local trains, metro trains which connect from the city to another city. Express trains also runs from one state to another state, also goods train or carriage trains. This carry goods like coal from one place to another. Okay. Next, railways, waterways, and airways. And remember, road transport NH44 is the longest transport system in our country. Remember, NH44 is the national highway, longest national highway. It starts from Srinagar and ends at Kanyakumari. Okay. Next, metal roads and unmetal roads. These two topics. Metal roads. What is metal road? Metal road is made of concrete, cement, pitch, and unmetal roads is made of mud. Okay, we generally found metal roads in cities and towns, and unmetal roads in the rural areas like villages. Bridges. There are 4 kinds of bridges. Here is the reference given in your book. Okay, now we will read about the 4 kinds of bridges. Okay, we have often seen that various kinds of bridges outside throughout our country. First, beam bridges. Okay, beam bridges is made up of pillars and cement concrete. Pillars, first the pillars are made, and then the bridges is made over the pillars. This is called beam bridges. Next, arch bridges. The design is like this, arch bridges. Okay, actually this is the road of the bridges, but it is called arch bridges. এরকম দেখবেন ডিজাইনটা থাকে, এরকম ডিজাইনটা থাকে, that is called arch bridges. Okay, actually this is the way to go from one place to another. Okay, arch bridges. It is also made up of concrete, iron, cement, brick. Next, lifting bridges or drop bridges. This is the picture of lifting or drop bridges. specially used in the harbors. Okay, drawbridges, it moves upwards and this part also moves upwards. এইভাবে খুলে যায়, এইখানে যদি কিছু জাহাজ বা শিপ যাওয়ার থাকে সেটা চলে যায় আর এটা খুলে যায়. This is called drawbridges. Okay, or lifting bridges. Next, suspension bridges. It is the widely used to make huge bridges nowadays. আজকালকার দিনে সবথেকে বেশি যেটা তৈরি হয় suspension bridges, means the bridges hold tightly through the cables or sturdy and strong cables. Okay, this type of bridges we can see throughout the world. Okay, suspension bridges. Next, to local trains and metro trains. We have described that local trains and metro trains give the service in a city. Next, waterways in India. Remember that National Highway 1 Prayagraj-Haldia stretch of Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly rivers is the longest waterways in India. There are 13 major and 200 minor ports in India. Okay, airways in India, we use airport for airways, and remember airports are government and non-governmental also. Okay, there are some private airways and airports. Next, communication. Okay, you have to read what is communication. Communication means the system of sharing your thoughts or ideas to another one, and there are two types of communication. Personal communication and mass communication. Personal communication through letter, message, SMS. Okay, we have read SMS. What is the full form of SMS? Short message service. Okay, SMS, personal communication, and mass communication connects us to the wider part of the world. For example, telephone, telephone, personal communication, television. Okay, television and satellite. We can watch the live cricket games or football matches that is held in another country through the help of the satellite. Okay, so this is the communication system from one country to another. So that's all. Read this chapter carefully at home. Okay, and in the next class we will solve out the question answer. Okay, so that's all for the day. Have a nice day. Bye.